You're gonna adjust Priscilla now. We're finding those areas that aren't moving as well in her low back. That one already gave way. Magic fingers. All right, Priscilla, deep breath in, let it all the way out, and look up at the wall. Very good. Come up here. Her first rib is out right there. You see her little wiggle whenever I touched it. Same thing on this side. Distracting and opening up this area through here, putting those first ribs back into place. Coming to check the pelvis. We're a little off. You can also tell in the feet. By the position, we come up, and then she slowly comes longer. You see how this one comes up? And we come short here. So the level of these. That tells us her pelvis isn't in the right position. So if you'll turn on your side towards me, we're gonna check behind here. Crisscross, very good. Contacting this SI joint that's come back. All right, other side. We're gonna flip over. Contacting the ischial tuberosity on the side, using a long lever to put it back in place. There's one. There we go. All right, there you go.